Good morning, children. How are you all? I think all are fine. Okay. So, in yesterday's lecture, we had completed about the discussion part, and for today's lecture, I'll just I will inform. It's kind of an. I would like to give you this note note that, okay, to make you understand. Means I am getting some of the calls for that some children are not able to understand what to write, what not to write. Okay, so right now in this lecture I am just going to tell you about what all things you have to write and you don't have to. Means where to write, which questions, how, which section you have to write in, what all things you have to write in notebook. All those things I'm going to tell you today. Okay. To start, first of all, in book A, okay, in the notebook, as we have completed the chapter, uh, you have to write the let us try. Okay. Once again, those children who have written already, they are well and good. But this video is for all those students as well as parents, those who have doubt in what to write or what to make their children write in their notebook. For them, I'm putting up this video so that they will not get confused of what writing in the notebook and what not to write. Okay, so this is the video for you. Okay, see, first of all, in the second chapter, as we have completed, in the notebook, first of all, you have to write all the hard words. Okay, you have to write the hard, that means the glossary. This page number in the textbook, book A, as it is given in page number 27. Okay, this glossary part, this you have to, first of all, when you start up writing for chapter number 2, first of all you have to write down the glossary part. Okay, secondly you have to start with the jump start section. Okay, you have to first of all you have to write the glossary. Okay, you have to write the glossary in the notebook, and secondly you have to write the jump start section. Jump start, which is given in page number 18. Okay, means the true or false, as well as the second question, list any two uses of solar energy and wind energy, that you have to write down. Secondly, first you have to write the glossary. Okay, that is given in page number 27. It is given in page number 27. Okay, first of all you have to write glossary. Second, you have to write the jump start, question 1 and question 2. Okay, you have to write down means the true or false as well as the question number 2. And thirdly, you have to write down the let us try again. This is the first let us try section given in page number 23 and 24, that you have to write down. Okay, I have already shared the PDF file in the group. I hope you might have got, every children has got this. Okay, so this thirdly you have to write down the let us try, that is question number 1, 2 and 3. All of them you have to write down from this let us try. I mean, what is an earthquake, then Vijay lives in that one, and the third one is true or false. These 3 questions, including this true or false, you have to write down everything. Thirdly, you have to write this let us try of page number 23 and 24. Okay, and fourth part is the let us try of page number given in 23 and 24. Sorry, first one is here, it's a mistake. First let us try is in 21 and 22 page number. Okay, first letter, the third you have to write let us try of page number 21 and 22, and fourth you have to write down let us try of page number 23 and 24. Okay, means there also it is given 3 questions, that is one is question number 1, then question number 2, and third is fill in the blanks. Okay, so that you have to complete, and the fifth is you have to write down the let us try again. Let us try again of page number what 26 it is given. Okay, that is question number 1, 2 and 1, 2 and 3. Okay, that you have to write down, including that fill in the blanks. Okay, I think this is clear for you all. So in the notebook from book A, this is for book A. Okay, book A, you have to write down first the glossary, that is on page number 27 it is given. Secondly, you have to write down jump start of page number 18, which is given in page number 18, question number 1 and 2. Okay, thirdly you have to write down the let us try section of page number 21 and 22, where there are 3 questions given, those all of the 3. Okay, that you have to write down, including that true or false. Okay, then fourth you have to write down the let us try of page number 23 and 24 it is given. Okay, there also 3 questions are there. Question number 1, what is cyclone? 2, that if a building, is that one, and the third one is fill in the blanks. Okay, including fill in the blanks you have to write down the let us try 4 as 4th point, and the fifth you have to write down the let us try of given in page number 26. There also there are 3 questions, that is one is that Samastipur, that question, second the 2 difference you have to write down, and third is fill in the blank. So this is the entire thing of book A that you have to write down in your notebook. Okay, I think you have understood. Fine. Okay, now I will let you know what you have to write down from book B. Okay, there also the same thing, the question answers that I have already shared with you, that you have to write down. I had already shared the PDF file. Okay, so I hope this book A section, whatever you have to write down, is clear with you. Okay, now from book B, what all things you have to write down and clear you out, what all things. Okay, so from book B, okay, this is from book B. From book B, okay, you have to write down all the question answers. I have already shared the answers. First is this, okay, the exercise 2.1. What is the name of that? Shocks and vibrations. Shocks and vibrations. Okay, that you have to write down. In that there are 3 question answers. Question number 1, okay, question number 2, as well as question number 3. Okay, I have already shared the answers, so this you have to write down. Exercise 2.1. This also you have to write down in the notebook only. Okay, not in textbook. You don't have to write here, because here space is given, but as I am telling you again, because you have to be you have to get this clear. Okay, because textbook is not allowed to be submitted here, so I am making you write this book B question answers in notebook only. Okay, so First you have to write down exercise 2.1 shocks and vibrations, all the question answers. There are 3 question and answers that you have to write down in notebook. And secondly you have to write down, that is exercise 2.2. What is the name of that? So after writing these 3 questions of 2.1, in 2.2, what is the name? Violent winds. Violent winds. Okay. From that also there are 2 questions. Okay. First one, answer is given, and for second question, here the first question is there that you have to write down, and for question number 2, I have written a hint. I have as an example, I have in the PDF you can see that I have given only this first answer, the first fill up, the first boxes only I have filled. The second and third you have to write by yourself, okay, as a part of a homework, so that you can also get some idea. In that you have to get the information of some nearby cyclones where it took place, and what all damage is caused by that cyclone, that you have to write down in the other 2 fill-ups. This you can if you draw the table in your notebook, that is also fine. Okay, the first one I have given as a hint, as a example I have given you the answer. The second and third you can write by yourself. Okay, it is simple. You can take the help of your parents also. Okay, so parents do help your child in getting this. Okay, so like this, from question number chapter number 2, exercise 2.1, all the 3 question answers, exercise 2.2, all the 2 question and answers, and thirdly you have to write from exercise 2.3. What is the name of that? Floods and droughts. Okay, floods and droughts. Okay, floods and droughts. So in that there are also 3 questions in this. So that is question number 1, question number 2, and question number 3. 3 of them you have to write down. First 2 questions I have already given the answer. The third one is, as I have told in this question number 2, you have to find out the information. So the third question in question 2.3, that also you can get the information. I have given an example, means you can write down about the Kerala flood that took place in the year 2018. So you can write down about, you can collect the information from the internet also. It's easy, you can write down, and you can take the help of your parents also if they know about it. You can write down few of the means damages caused by due to that flood, and what all things the government took, what all precautions government took, that you can write down in the third answer. Okay, so all these things again from book B you have to write down in the notebook. Okay, so this is what all the things that you have to write down in the notebook regarding the book A and book B. Now about the worksheet, that I will be from worksheet, what all things you have to write down, that I will be sharing. Okay, so that I will be sharing with you in the later tomorrow's video. Okay, so tomorrow I will let you know about what you have to write down from the worksheet, because worksheet, you know, there are some questions already, means it is the same questions that is been given in book A as well as book B, means those questions are repeated. So from worksheet, some of the questions which are repeated, that I will give you the PDF also. In that I will be writing that this question is from book A and this question is from book B. So wherever you find that I have written book A or book B in this question, okay, that you don't have to write in notebook. Okay, so this is what about the worksheet is, that I will be sharing with you tomorrow in the tomorrow's video. I will let you know what all things you have to write down in the worksheet, and as well as we will also discuss about the worksheet question answers other than the questions given in book A and B, where there are, if there are extra questions, those answers I will give you. Okay, so until then I hope you have understood what you have to write down in your fire book. Okay, so until then, see you tomorrow. Take care and bye.